So to subscribe to the blog, you're going to click subscribe by email. You're going to click this link. A little box comes up. You're going to put your email address in there. And then you're going to say you're not a robot. If it asks you to look for things, click them as fast as you can and click the verify button. So we're going storefronts. That. Oh, no. Check new images. There's one, there's one, there's one. Go. No. Oh, wait. Now we're on to cars. So you want to click as fast as you can. Cars. Where's cars? Car. There's a car. I don't see a car. Car. Oh, it's 3 signs now. Yay. I'm just going to go to the sign. Sign. Go. Street sign. Skip. Street signs. All right. So I think the street sign key is do not click on the posts for the street signs. So I have completed my task to prove I am not a robot. I can complete my subscription request. And there it has verified I am allowed to subscribe to the blog. So the purpose of all of that Captcha stuff is to protect you, to make sure nobody's spamming your email, as well as to protect the blog owner, to make sure that people are not having a computer just put in as many email addresses as it can to subscribe to a blog and then spam it. So it's a little suffering, but in the long run, it's going to make everybody safer, and that's what we want. Yay!